this is why I change you into a scrub top, because it gets a little messy.
Gary slathered me lemon cream, and I have about 20 more minutes, but so far so good.
So this is the ProGen system for our PRP. You can do face PRP, you can do hair PRP with this system. So we put our little guys in there so that our tubes will fit down in. And you put your blood, and you put the fake blood. Put them in there, tie them down.
Is done. I am super tight. He targeted all my problematic areas, even went down. I'm gonna apply this before going to bed, and then in the morning I'm going to use a gentle cleanser, and I'll show you guys tomorrow how I look in the morning.